Hi everyone, we're going to use the diagram and the given information to find the unknown length of these four problems. So let's get started, and this is number 11 here. So we have AB over BC equals AE divided by ED. And we have to find BC. So AB is right here is 6. We don't know BC. And AE is 12. And ED is 4. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and reduce that. And I'm going to use my proportions and rewrite this as BC over 6. Makes it easier. This is going to be 3. So I have to reduce that. So that's going to be 3 divided by 1. So I can write that as 1 over 3. I use my reciprocal proportions. And you cross up here, so you get BC equals 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. So this would be 2. This length here would be 2. Now the next one, we have AB equals AE, and BC equals ED. So what do we have for AB? AB is 12. We don't know BC. AE is 18. And ED is going to be 33 minus 18. So simplifying that, we have 12 divided by BC equals 18 divided by 33 minus 18, which is 15. Now I can use my reciprocal proportions and rewrite this as BC divided by 12 equals, and let's just reduce this by 3. If I divide each part by 3, I'm going to get 6 over 5. Now I'm going to reciprocate that because I reciprocated this one, so that's 5 over 6. I'm trying to do this so I don't have to use a calculator. So now I'm just going to cross up here, and you get BC equals 12 times 5 divided by 6. Well, 6 goes into 12 two times, so BC equals 10. And where's BC? So this would be 10. All right. And the next one, we have FD divided by FE equals CD divided by BE. And BE we don't know. We're trying to find BE. So FD is going to be 9 plus 3. FE is just 9. All right, equals CD is 16. And we don't know BE. All right, so this is 12. And I can reduce this by 3. I can divide each piece by 3. And that's going to give you 4/3 equals 16 divided by BE. Now I'm going to use my reciprocal property and reciprocate both of these just to make it easier. So BE divided by 16 equals 3 divided by 4. I'm going to cross up like that. So BE equals 16 times 3 divided by 4. 4 goes into 16 4 times. So 4 times 3 is 12. So BE equals 12. So this would be 12 right here. And the last one, I have AB divided by BC equals FE divided by ED. And we're supposed to find AC. So once we find AB, we can just add those two up with the 5. So AB is we don't know what that is. BC is 5. And FE is 4. And ED is 6. So we can cross multiply here. It's easier if you reduce, but let's cross multiply. You get 5 times 4 divided by 6. So that's going to be, I can divide these both by 2, so that's going to be 2/3. So that's going to be 10 divided by 3. So AB is 10 divided by 3. And we know AC equals AB. Just put lines here. They didn't, but I'll do it. Plus BC. Okay, so AB is 10 divided by 3. And BC is 5. So that equals AC. So we need the common denominator of 3, so that's going to be 10 divided by 3. We need a 3, so that's going to be 15. All I did was multiply these both by 3. And that gives you 25 divided by 3. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.